Hey everyone, my name is Anthony Nunez Romero. I'm currently a rising junior here at the University of Arizona, and I am in Dr. Savek's Orthopedic Research Lab. My mentors include Dr. Savek, Dr. Margales, and Dave Gonzalez. So we'll put on our masks and we'll head on inside and I'll show you guys all the stuff that I do in my lab. Our lab's main research question, to put it simply, is how can we regrow bone? The reason why we are trying to solve this issue is because large long bone defects commonly occur in humans in the form of cancer resections, motor vehicle accidents, and other sorts of trauma. Now you may be thinking, aren't there other surgical treatments that already exist? Well, the issue with those is that they're very costly, ineffective, and overall they're just not that good. But what we're trying to do is, by implementing a 3D printed biomimetic scaffold, and we seed that with endogenous stem cells, we can then regrow bone ourselves, and it takes a lot less money and a lot less surgical intervention, and overall it's better for the patient. The results I've gathered in this lab so far show that we are in fact consistently growing bone in these experimental samples with the scaffolds. I have been able to gather quite a few measurements using ImageJ, and actually I have been able to have enough results to even present a poster, which you will see here. Also, during my time in this internship, I have had the opportunity to ask myself a ton of questions. A few of the questions that I have had is, how can we safely start clinical trials? Because we have only been testing this in sheep femora, so being able to do this in humans would be very, very effective. And another question that we had is, instead of using bio-inert materials for the scaffolds, how can we create a material that isn't going to just stay in the person forever and will also disintegrate? And what other measurements can we gather from the sheep femora, whether it be axial load, torsional strain, and other types of measurements like that using strain gauges?